We're watching obviously Cars Body and Mind on this channel, so please go and check them out obviously, and make sure you subscribe, like to the video.
Yo, tengo Calderón, los bandoleros. Aunque digan que soy un bandolero donde voy. Y voy a seguir con mi tumbao y con mis ojos colorados, con mi gato activado. Ustedes no me lo han dado.
Right, so we're at the DK Tuning stand. I want to say a big thank you to DK Tuning for obviously, and to Big J Remax as well for bringing me down to this event as well. Yeah guys, I'm literally going off by the top of my head, seeing what I see. I'm going to be walking up to people, ask them why they have the car and what makes them happy about the car as well. So make it fun. If you see yourself in the video, give a thumbs up, like and subscribe as well. So I want to tell you that these guys are coming around in speed. Okay, flames and that. What's this running, fam?
About 250.
250? Fucking hell, what's it feel like? Drive?
Ain't too bad. It's like the first time it's actually been out on track.
Yeah. You impressed?
Should be alright. It's right down the back roads and that.
Yeah. Have you been out already?
Nah, not yet. It's first time.
Bro, enjoy it. Okay. Nice car, bro.
The fuck is that, bro?
Who did the exhausting?
A friend of mine. It's just too loud for the track. So.
What's the BHP on this then? 469.
But you're running the stage one exhaust and
Pretty much, yeah. Just a base man.
Swear.
supercharged.
Nah, not really my cup of tea. I want to get a GT3 RS. See what happens. See what happens. Just make sure that.
Yeah, you're a young man as well, looking at a GT.
How old are you now?
Christ.
25.
25?
Oh, mate.
First time before I go on track for real.
First time?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Fair play. Enjoy yourself then.
Never.
How long have you had it?
This one I've had 17 years.
17 years.
What else have you got?
You've had it 17 years. Did you have it through? From brand new then?
Yeah, it was 6 months old. Yeah, and
How many miles has it gone?
Sorry, on this 70,000.
Wow.
And I've got a Skyline.
Skyline as well.
Got a Skyline as well.
Yeah.
Go on, I like you.
I like you a lot as well.
Fair play. Enjoy yourself, Willie.
Enjoy yourself.
Maybe deceiving.
Wow, look at that, guys. Look what she has, guys. I'll see you later.
Where did you get that from? It's already done right.
Really? That's a good boy then, mate. That's a good boy.
What's the car running?
About 350.
350? What's the track like?
Don't know, first time on track.
Ah,
Hopefully it'll be alright.
that's it.
Fingers crossed.
Beautiful car.
Nice job, that is.
Look at the reflection on the car. Sparkles. Go on, boys. Yes, blood. Are you mad? So I think they're doing a decibel check before the cars go out on the trek here. The geezer that I spoke to earlier, the BMW, I don't know what happened on track, but
Yeah, the oil wanted to leave the engine.
I love Chris
very,
Rich.
very unfortunate for him. Right, so I'm gonna pause that video right there. Now, I need you guys to understand just how expensive a day out can be for car enthusiasts or for anyone in general going out to have a race day. This would have cost this man £150 just to get the car recovered.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Then also on top of that, if the track was dirty or if you left any marks on there, you would have to pay charges for that. As well as, let's say if you crash into a barrier, you'll be charged £27 per meter of that barrier. So you can understand just how expensive these days out can be if anything does go wrong. Oh my. Oh yeah, this is a car I covered earlier. This is the engine. Have a look at that, guys. It's what does it call it? Mechanic porn.
Bring it down to the engine and that's air bubbles coming up through it.
How did it go?
A few engine issues.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got too much crankcase pressure, so the oil's just coming out and sitting in the catch can. So
Okay.
we're going to call it for the day and then do a rebuild tomorrow, probably.
Sweet, sweet.
As always.
As always.
Yeah, man. Instagram's just at Steve Putt.
Yeah.
Same on Facebook.
Okay.
You can always see me on any of the Ford stuff.
That's it.
Happy days.
That's it. Go. Send that blood. He can't drive that MC. Bad man dead. How's he do now? What? What is this? Oh, you missed out, bro.
I love Chris
That
Rich.
M3 there. Look at the inside of this, completely stripped. A quick run through, what would you say you've done to it, the major highlights for yourself?
Okay, so it's totally custom suspension because you can't buy anything for these.
Okay.
Unfortunately. So it's all made coilovers, adjustable top mounts,
Yeah.
obviously it's the only weld on what I've done myself.
Yeah.
Brakes, just adapter plates for the calipers, which are off Mitsubishi Evo 5, 6, 7, whatever it is.
Okay, okay.
Which allows you to put a bigger offset
Yeah.
wheel on to accommodate for the bigger rotors.
Yep.
Engine wise, Saab 234 engine with Wozner pistons, pet rods, full
Wow.
rebuild timing chain kit,
Wow.
gaskets, oil seals, and a GT 3071.
Wow.
And that's it. Really, I haven't done anything other than chuck a big engine in it, decent gearbox, and played with suspension.
That's it.
Oh, that thing was that.
Shit, Snoop Doogie dong. Shit, man.
Na 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 na.
Just me. Fucking hell.
Go on, go on. That's my boss.
Do it again, bud. You mad? Are you mad? He must have seen me, you know. What have you actually done with it?
Stage 2. Stage 2, yeah.
Stage 2.
Yeah. That one? Yeah. It's on low boost at the moment, a 726. A 1.5 bar.
Jesus Christ. How long you had it?
5 years. Yeah, I imported it myself 5 years ago.
Fair play. Best way to do it though, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is a monster.
I love the body kit on it.
Yes,
Oh my gosh.
it's full carbon, 3/4 of carbon, front wings carbon. It's a Apache racing body kit that was made for a company called Final Connection. And it's basically a super wide body kit that extends it by almost 200 mil either side.
Really is. The deep dishes on it are beautiful as well.
Yeah, I have to go for smaller wheels. I did have 20s on it, but the ride was terrible. So
That's great.
plus I needed to go wider just for traction.
Look at the body kit on this, guys. Ah, yeah. His missus. She's only got that in the back. Wow. Couple goals right here. What's hers running?
I'm sorry?
What's hers running like engine wise?
It's currently 350 with 100 shot of NOS, so you're talking just under 450 horse.
Wow. Does that mean I've never ever been in a car with NOS? I'm taking you have been in this.
Yes.
How does it feel?
It's instantaneous power. It's unbelievable.
Yeah.
It's just there, you hit certain throttle positions and it's good.
Oh, wow. I felt like I was in the car then when you was giving that description. Thank you.
No problem.
Alright.
Mubs got beats.
It's getting serious.
Look how beautiful this is, guys. Wow. Are you guys seeing this?
You buy this and you did it yourself?
Everything.
Sorry, mate.
Wow. Guys, this man, everything that you see on this car, He's done it himself. How much did you get the car for?
Second,
How much did you get the car for?
how much I get the car for?
Yeah, before you started working on it.
1,200.
And how
I
much is
bought, I
it?
bought it for auction.
Before you bought it from auction?
Yeah, I bought actually the car auction. The engine wasn't running, you know, the shaft was nice, so
Yeah.
I did lots of job.
You've done a lot of job.
I completely stripped it off, body work, spray job, all the modification, new subframe. Actually, underneath the car, everything is brand new.
Wow.
Lots of modified. So the car looks like a standard car when you look at it, but in the engine bay and everything under it is fully modified. There's no parts left
Yeah.
from original.
Yeah, wow.
Big brakes, suspension, HSD coilovers,
Yeah.
bigger rod. Yeah, the interior you see is modified.
How long has this journey taken for you to fix the car?
Look, it was in my garage for like 4 years.
Yeah.
I didn't even touch it. So I was just collecting parts. I would say couple of months.
Couple of months. Wow. And look what he's done, guys. This looks absolutely beautiful. Have you got Instagram, Facebook, anything like
Yeah,
that?
I got Instagram.
What's your Instagram?
Okay, I call myself Empower Motorworks.
Okay.
So that's my Facebook page.
Yeah.
You can see my build, my cars.
Okay. Guys, get following him on that. This is taking him a couple months, guys. Look at this. This is, if you love cars, you love taking your time with your car, this is a prime example of just how you should be doing it. He bought it from auction and has done everything you see here himself.
Modified switches,
Modified switches.
3D printed parts,
Wow.
iPod, flappy paddles.
Flappy paddles as well.
So that side's working. When you come here, press the button. So it wakes up.
Whoa. Yeah.
Press it. Makes it like stock. So it's quiet, no drone.
Okay.
That's a straight pipe now.
And how have you done that, bro?
Just it's basically a harness. It just bypasses the original module. So you have to have a valve in there. There's a valve in there.
Okay.
All the 335s, 140s. A lot of the BMWs have got them. So it's a plug and play unit I designed myself.
Okay.
So all you do is just fit it in, and that's it. Where you go, plug and play.
And you said the BHP is running
So 410, just under 600 newton meters of torque. It's 595 torque.
that's a lot of torque.
I know.
It's been a long day. Subscribe to my channel and like the video. Hey, X Factor, Britain's Got Talent, yeah? Watch out. But guys, where do I begin? Hey, for a newbie, I ain't done too bad. I ain't done too bad. What you guys think? Smash the like button if you liked it. Obviously subscribe if you're new. I just want to say a big thank you for everyone that was there, everyone that allowed me to interview them, get to know them, and for me to share your story to everyone else. that is with me so far. If you're new, if you was there, guys, you know how YouTube goes. I need the likes, I need the subscribe. So guys, do all that now and support me. Help support me. I'm a newbie to the scene. I hope you guys like my work, and I hope my work is good enough for you guys, you know, to share as well. Tell your friends, tell your friends, moms, dads, everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. And apart from that, my people, peace and love with a little bit of extra sauce pan there.
Bringing that dirty, bringing that 30. Music with a quick extension.